Hello guys, it's Kyle Leary here, and today is Thursday, March 22nd, 2018, and I am home from school for the day. You want to know why? It's because of yesterday's snowstorm. It was snowing yesterday afternoon and yesterday morning, and around like 4 p.m. the snow started coming down. And all night it was coming down really heavy up until 7 a.m. this morning. And I didn't expect school to get canceled today. I mean, yesterday I wasn't sure if it was going to get canceled or not. I mean, I knew it was going to come to this, so there goes one of my vacation days. Another one of my vacation days. Now I'm going to lose Thursday, April 5th now. Now I'm going to have to go on Thursday, April 5th, and Friday, April 6th. So, I'm making this video because I'm going to show you the aftermath of yesterday's snowstorm. So there is all the snow from last night when it came down. As you can see, the streets are all cleared off. There's barely any snow on it. The walkway's cleared off. The cars are cleared off. We cleaned that all out this morning. I mean, the roads are clear now, but they still closed my school for the day because of all the snow. The grass is all covered, and you see all that snow? We got 10 inches of snow. So, I guess that was it. Make sure to subscribe for more, and bye.